Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Vanellope fun sheets from Wreck-It Ralph on Dress to Impress. I did not use VIP on this at all, so let's get started with the video. I'm not going to remove the items I use the custom adjustments in, just because it does take forever. So for the hoodie rope, I don't know what it's called, I just did this. I scale it to 0, position it at Y 0.48, Z at 0.39. For the bow, I did rotation X at 0.37, Y 0.56, and Z at 0.62. And for the headpiece, I used position Y 0.54, Z 0.38, X at 1, and scale it at 0.34. And I colored it, I think, black, pink, green, and white, like the turquoise color and white. Then for the hoodie, I'm just going to put this on in this color. It's like a minty blue color, 8EBF91. And for the hair, I just use these two hairs. I know she has like a ponytail, but this one looks a little bit cuter and more messy, but you can just adjust it. Then for the skirt, I just colored it this color in silk, and I pretty much colored it all the same like that. Then for the leggings, I just used these, turn off the feet, and I colored it this color and this color. Then for the shoes, I did this in black, and then I did this pink as well at the bottom, and then the rest I did in black. And that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.